Ito ang latest chika, mga kamarites. 6 years na ang karelasyon ni Donnie Pangilinan, si Bel Mariano. Sabi ng aktor, very private daw ang 6-year relationship nila ni Bel Mariano. Because the life that you have with your partner or the foundation that you're building with your partner is between you two only. And that's another way of honoring your partner, your relationship, and showing respect to them. Saad ng aktor.